Have you ever wondered how to make your own natural soap at home? Well, let's dive into this sudsy world together. You might be surprised to learn that many store-bought soaps are brimming with a cocktail of chemicals. From synthetic fragrances to parabens and sulfates, these ingredients can sometimes do more harm than good to your skin. Switching to homemade soap can be a game changer. Why? Because you control what goes into your soap. You can choose natural, skin-loving ingredients over harsh chemicals. Now let's talk about palm oil. It's a common ingredient in commercial soaps, but its production leads to deforestation and habitat destruction. If you use it, please make sure it is responsibly sourced. This video is for a palm-free option, and you should use what is available to you in a responsible way. We choose not to use palm oil at Birch & Artisan Creations. We are also vegetarian friendly. This is only our opinion. Make your own choice. Now finish the video, as I hope it helps someone out there. Please like this video if you want to see more like these. Thank you in advance. Making your own soap gives you the chance to say no to palm oil. Instead, we'll introduce a delightful substitute, mango butter. So, buckle up for a journey into homemade, natural, palm oil-free soap making. Today, you will learn how to make your own natural soap with no palm oil, using a simple and effective recipe. Before you start, gather all the necessary ingredients. The cornerstone of our natural soap is a combination of 3 oils: olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Olive oil gives our soap its mildness, while coconut oil brings in the fluffy lather, and avocado oil, loaded with vitamins, adds a luxurious feel. Of course, we can't forget our star player, mango butter. A great source of fatty acids, mango butter will not only moisturize your skin, but also help keep it tight and firm. Our next ingredient is lye or sodium hydroxide. It's the saponifying agent that transforms our oils into soap. The last ingredient is distilled water, which helps dilute the lye. Remember, we're completely avoiding palm oil to keep our soap environmentally friendly. With these natural ingredients, you're ready to start the soap making process. This blend is not only good for your skin, but also for our planet. A clean and organized workspace is key to a successful soap making session. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about creating an environment that sparks creativity while ensuring safety. Imagine your workspace as a blank canvas. It's the foundation upon which your soap-making masterpiece will take shape. Clear away clutter, wipe down surfaces with at least a 70% isopropyl alcohol, and make sure everything is in its place. Next, gather your soap-making tools. These might include a soap mold, a large pot for melting your ingredients, a thermometer, a scale, and of course, safety gear. Remember, we're working with substances that can be dangerous if not handled correctly. Safety goggles, gloves, and long sleeves are a must. These will protect your skin and eyes from any accidental splashes. And finally, keep a bottle of vinegar nearby. In case of a lye spill, vinegar can help neutralize the lye, making cleanup safer. Now that your workspace is ready, it's time to start making soap. The first step in the soap making process is mixing your ingredients. But this isn't just about tossing everything into a bowl and giving it a stir. No, this is where the magic happens, where science meets craft, and where our soap begins to take shape. We start with the base oils: olive oil, coconut oil, and our special ingredient, mango butter. You see, each oil has a purpose. Olive oil is our moisturizer, coconut oil gives us those luxurious lather bubbles, and mango butter, well, that's our secret weapon for ultra-smooth, nourishing soap. To these oils, we add lye solution. Now, lye might sound scary, but it's essential for soap making. It's what turns our oils into soap, a process known as saponification. But don't worry, once the soap is cured, there's no lye left, just a beautiful, gentle, and natural soap. Now here's the trick. We need to mix our ingredients until we reach what soap makers call trace. This is when our mixture thickens like a thin pudding. Achieving trace means that our oils and lye solution are emulsifying, they're becoming one. It's the sign that saponification, our magic soap-making process, is starting to happen. Next, we add our extras. These could be essential oils for fragrance, herbs for texture, or even oatmeal for a little exfoliation. These extras are what make our soap unique, what give it character. And remember, you're the artist here. Your soap can be whatever you want it to be. So we mix and we mix, ensuring everything is well combined. We're after a smooth, uniform consistency. No lumps, no oil puddles. This is crucial, as it ensures that every slice of our soap loaf will be just as good as the last. Once your ingredients are well mixed, it's time to move on to the next step. But remember, soap making isn't just about the end product, it's about the journey, the craft, and the joy of creating something beautiful and useful with your own 2 hands. The magic of soap making happens during saponification. Now you might be wondering, what is this saponification? Well, it's a big word for a simple process that's been used for centuries to create soap. Saponification is a chemical reaction that occurs when oils or fats come into contact with a strong alkali, typically lye. Each oil or fat has a unique saponification value, which tells us how much lye is needed to completely convert that oil into soap. In essence, the oils and lye engage in a sort of dance, transforming into something entirely new, soap. Now let's break it down a bit. You see, oils are made up of triglycerides. These triglycerides are composed of a glycerin backbone with 3 fatty acid chains attached. When we mix our oils with lye, the lye breaks apart those triglycerides, setting the fatty acids free. The fatty acids then combine with the sodium or potassium ions from the lye to form soap. Meanwhile, the glycerin is left behind. But don't worry, it doesn't go to waste. Glycerin is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to the skin, making it a vital part of our soap's moisturizing power. What's fascinating about saponification is that it doesn't happen immediately. It starts when we mix our oils and lye and continues as the mixture cools and hardens. This process can take anywhere from 24 hours to several weeks, depending on the recipe and conditions. It's during this time that our soap mixture transforms from a liquid into a solid. So you see, saponification isn't just some fancy soap-making term, it's the heart of the soap-making process, turning our oils into a cleansing, moisturizing soap that's gentle on the skin. And the best part? By making our own soap, we know exactly what's going into it, allowing us to avoid any harsh chemicals or additives. With saponification complete, you're one step closer to having your homemade natural soap. Now, isn't that a beautiful thought? After saponification, it's time to mold and cure your soap. Now, molding is more than just shaping your soap. It's about giving it its unique personality. You can use silicone molds, wooden loaf molds, or even repurpose household items. Just remember to line your mold with parchment paper for easy removal. Once you've poured your soap into your chosen mold, let it rest. It needs time to harden, and this can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. Patience is key here. Now on to curing, the final and one of the most crucial steps. Curing allows your soap to fully harden and dry out. This process can take from 4 to 6 weeks. Yes, it might seem like a long time, but it's worth the wait. Curing ensures your soap is gentle on the skin and lasts longer. Congratulations! You've made your first batch of natural, palm oil-free soap. You may wonder, why go through all this trouble to make natural, palm oil-free soap? Well, let's dive into the reasons. Natural soap, especially those free from palm oil, are packed with skin-loving nutrients. They are gentle, nourishing, and devoid of harsh chemicals that can strip your skin of its natural oils. But it's not just about you. It's about our planet too. Palm oil production is a leading cause of deforestation, threatening wildlife and contributing to climate change. By choosing palm oil-free soap, you're taking a stand against these harmful practices. Moreover, making your own soap means you know exactly what's in it. No hidden ingredients, no nasty surprises. It's a rewarding process that gives you control over what you put on your skin. So, why choose natural palm oil-free soap? Not only have you created a healthier option for your skin, but you've also made a choice that's better for our planet.